Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of PEST-STOP PEST REPELLER. And since this is for small houses, we have another one. Now I guess this way there will be double the protection against pests, but okay, as you can see here we have a faulty packaging there. I hope PEST-STOP will do something about this so that it won't be damaged during shipping. Now this is mentioned as the PEST REPELLER 2500 and it's covering 230 square meters. Now remember, this is the interior of a house and the target is rodents, insects, and it is targeted specifically for these specific pests. Now this can be done using electromagnetic and ultrasonic waves, being safe for pregnant women, kids, dogs, cats and wildlife. Well, this might be also a fish or a bird or a pet reptile that you have in your house. Now their motto is that they are serious about pest control, so this electronic device is not for someone that has an ant farm or a hamster. And let's open the box and check closely the product itself, but we can open first, as it seems, the pierced box here and check what went wrong with the packaging. And as you can see here, there is no protective cardboard or any kind of foam, so this came out of the box. This is quite unfortunate. I would really like to see some protective material here. So here we have the manual and the device itself. As it seems now, it is really hard to get it out. So we'll try it like it's so. Okay, here we have it. It looks like a typical power socket device. There is a speaker on this side, as you can see here. Now on the other side we have two switches. There seems to be marked with some functions there. It seems like ultrasonic and electromagnetic waves that will be used in tandem with some combinations there. So this should be plugged directly to your wall socket. But let's check first the manual for more information about the device and check out the proper use and which are the right combination of the switches. Now here we have a lot of languages translated, but we don't have any English. So from what I can get from this here, you can either select rodent or an insect on the switches at the respective position as it is shown here. Now it seems that it is best working when it is placed at the same floor, and it seems that this is the ground floor or a basement, and I guess this is specific for the type of pest it is selected here. And it is mentioned that it's capable of covering both ultrasonic and electromagnetic waves. Now let's open the other box and check whether this has anything different. No, as it seems it is the same, and this is a black and white plastic that feels quite cheap, but at the end of the day you just need the pest to be repelled. If this is working as it promises, this is a godsend for solving your pest problem. Now one can find as negative the range or the type of pest that this can repel. Now again, keep in mind that packaging won't save this from shipping. Overall, this feels like a really cheap plasticky device with this glossy plastic, but I guess for the asking price it's still a great purchase. So this was the unboxing of the PEST REPELLER. Feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Tech, thank you for watching.